Hello friends, welcome back. I am Nandini and today we will be discussing some facts about Sadhguru. Jagdish Vasudev, generally referred to as Sadhguru, is an Indian yogi and author. In 1992, he established Isha Foundation, which has been involved in various activities in the field of spirituality, education and environment. In 2017, he was awarded Padma Vibhushana by the Government of India for his services in the field of spirituality. Sadhguru was born in a Telugu family on 3rd September 1957 in Mysore, Karnataka. Sadhguru was the youngest of 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. Sadhguru and his family moved frequently as his father was an ophthalmologist with the Indian Railway. Maladihali Shri Raghavendra Swamiji taught him some simple yoga asanas, the practice of which he regularly maintained. He states that without a single day's break, that simple yoga that was taught to me kept happening and led to a much deeper experience later. He did his schooling at Demonstration School and Mahajana Pre-University College, Mysore. He graduated from the University of Mysore with a bachelor's degree in English literature. During college, he developed an interest towards traveling and motorcycles. At the age of 25, on 23rd September 1982, he rode up in Chamundi Hills and sat on a rock where he had a spiritual experience. He describes it as, "Till that moment in my life, I always thought this was me and that somebody else and something else. But for the first time, I did not know which was me and which was not me. Suddenly what was me was just all over the place. The very rock on which I was sitting, the air that I breathed, the very atmosphere around me. I had just exploded into everything. That sounds like utter insanity. This, I thought, had lasted for 10 to 15 minutes. But when I came back to my normal consciousness, it was about 4.5 hours. I was sitting there, fully conscious, eyes open. But time had just flipped. 6 weeks after this experience, he left his business to his friend and traveled extensively in an effort to gain insight into his mystical experience. After an year of meditation and travel, he decided to teach yoga and share his inner experience. In 1983, he conducted his first yoga class with 7 participants in Mysore. Over time, he began conducting yoga classes across Karnataka and Hyderabad, traveling on his motorcycle and donating the collection received from the yoga class to a local charity on the last day of the Aditya Yogi Shiva statue was designed by Sadhguru. The foundation built a 112 feet tall and 500 tons Shiva statue for inspiring and promoting yoga. It was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and has been since recognized as the largest bust sculpture by Guinness World Records. It is a part of the Incredible India campaign. Sadhguru has also established a Linga Bhairavi temple in Coimbatore where women conduct the rituals. There are several Isha Vidya schools in operation which educate around 3,000 students. Sadhguru loves playing games like golf, hopscotch, cricket, volleyball, billiards, and also loves to do trekking. As a child, he got attracted towards nature and liked to spend time in the forest near his house. He also developed a love for reptiles like snakes during that time. In 1997, he started conducting yoga classes in the United States, and after 1 year, he decided to conduct them for prisoners in Tamil Nadu. In order to improve the health and the quality of life of the poor people in the backward classes, he started Action for Rural Rejuvenation program in 2003 that has benefited over 7 million people of 4,200 villages till now. In 2006, Isha Foundation planted 8,52,587 plants in 6,284 locations across Tamil Nadu in a single day and registered its name in the Guinness Book of World Records. He has also launched an English named Forest Flowers magazine. In this magazine, his poems are published with photographs. His monthly magazines are also available in other languages.